Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can downgrade the iOS version of your iPhone or iPad. So the reason you might want to do this is because some of the newer software versions might cause some of your apps to crash, or it could cause your battery to run out quickly, so I'll be showing you how you can fix that. And the first step to do it is to get a Windows computer, and if you don't have a Windows computer, then just skip to the time frame shown on the screen and I'll show you how you can downgrade your phone using a Mac instead. And next, you need to get your phone's charging cable and plug your phone into your computer, and once your phone's been plugged in, go ahead and log on to your computer. And once you've logged on, you'll get a trust notification on your phone asking if you want to trust the computer. So what you want to do is press on trust. And next, open your web browser and go onto ipsw.me and select whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad. Then select the model of that device. I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, so I'm going to be selecting that. And then select the signed IPSW that you want to downgrade to. And then scroll down to download and press on that. And while we're waiting for that to download, we're going to go onto our phone. Next, you want to open settings and tap on your profile at the top. Then press on Find My, tap on Find My iPhone and disable it. And once that's been done, go on to iTunes. And if you don't have iTunes, go onto the Microsoft Store, search for iTunes and download it. Then on iTunes, press on your device button at the top left corner and press on the Restore iPhone button. Then press on the IPSW file that you just downloaded and press on Open. Press on Restore, and then your iPhone will begin to downgrade to an older iOS version. So once your iPhone's been downgraded, you'll see that it'll be on the setup screen. So just go ahead and set it up. And now if you go into Settings, General, and About, you'll see that your iPhone has been downgraded to an older iOS version. Now, if you want to downgrade your iPhone using a MacBook, then the steps to do this will be a bit different. First off, you need to check the side of the device to see if there's a USB port. If there isn't, then you need to get a Lightning to USB-C cable to plug in your iPhone to your computer. And once your iPhone's plugged in, go ahead and log on to your computer. Then you'll get a trust notification on your phone asking if you want to trust the computer. So go ahead and press on trust. And then open your web browser and go on to ipsw.me. And select whether you're using an iPhone or iPad and select the model of that device you're using, and then select one of the signed IPSWs and scroll down to the button that says download and press on it. And while it's downloading, you'll need to go onto your phone and open settings. Next, tap on your profile at the top and tap on Find My. Next, press on Find My iPhone and disable it. And once you've typed in your passcode and it's been disabled, go into Finder, and right below the Locations tab you'll see your device. Press on it. Then press on Restore iPhone and press on the IPSW file that you downloaded earlier and press on Open. Next, press on Restore, and now you'll see that your iPhone will be downgrading to an earlier iOS version. And once your iPhone's finished downgrading, you'll see that it'll be on the setup screen. So go ahead and set it up. And now if you go into Settings, General, About, you'll see that your iPhone will now be downgraded.